Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to rename one of your forms on Typeform. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to rename one of your forms here. How do you actually go ahead and do that on Typeform? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So if you also haven't signed up for Typeform just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. It would greatly appreciate and support the channel. Now once you're logged on to Typeform, what you want to do is that you want to go ahead and find the form that you want to rename. Then you want to click on these three dots, and then you want to go ahead and click on rename. Okay, so you might need to just scroll down a bit to actually rename your form. So once you click on rename, here is where you're going to enter the new name for your form. So we're just going to name this, let's say, opt-in form for YouTube channel, and then click on save. So as you can see, my form has now been renamed, and there you go. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and rename a form on Typeform. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.